Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Bahar and today I'm going to show you how to create a neat corner connection with two pieces of foam board. This offers a much more aesthetically pleasing joint compared to this one which shows foam board edge. First, I start by marking the section to be removed. I used my ruler to draw a 5mm line, which is the same thickness as our foam board. Now, using my Olfa knife, I start cutting the top card layer of the foam board and carefully working my way down until I reach the bottom layer. Be careful because we don't want to touch the bottom layer. And then I need to work in another direction, keeping the blade flat against the card layer to remove the piece. You may end up with something like this. As you can see, there is still some foam left on there. What we do is to use a ruler and very gently scrape the foam off. Now we have two pieces of foam boards. One of them has an extended card that will cover the edge of the other one. You just need to glue them together and there you go. You have a perfect and neat joint. I hope it was helpful. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for weekly tips and techniques. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!